Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete any text from the front side using Samsung's on-screen keyboard. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. So let me type some text. So now you can see I have typed some text. So now if we press this backspace or the delete button, then it will delete from the backward. And if I place this blinking text cursor on the front of this text, and even after that also if I press this backspace, then it won't delete this respective text from the front side. So in order to delete this respective text from the front side, firstly just place this blinking text cursor in front of the text, and now just press and hold this shift key, and after that just press this backspace or delete key. So now you can see it's deleting from the front side. So you can clearly see I'm able to delete any text from the front side by using these cool tricks. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.